Everybody. Today is Tuesday, and for science today, we're going to be doing an experiment and we're learning something new. We're going to be learning about weathering and erosion. So, before we get started with learning and doing the experiment, you can set the timer if you want, or you can just type everything you know. What is weathering and what is erosion? I'll give you a few minutes. You can type everything that you know about weathering, everything you know about erosion. It doesn't have to be right. You can say if you don't know anything, I don't know. But type in on this slide right here, click here and type what you know about that. Whenever you're finished, go to the next slide. Have you ever seen a mudslide? And then I want you to type in your prediction. What do you think caused this mudslide to happen? You can see that there's land and trees that are falling everywhere. What do you think caused this to happen? So, weathering and erosion. Weathering is breaking down of rocks, soil, and minerals. You can kind of picture this outside. If you're outside and it's frozen, we just had a big ice storm. And whenever it unfreezes, the rocks can break apart and it causes different cracks in the concrete or different things. Or have you ever left maybe a soda in the freezer or outside in your car? What has happened when that happens? It can explode and go into something else. So, breaking down of rocks and soil, breaking it apart. Erosion means that it's the removal of soil, rock, or dissolved materials from a location. So this is I'm picturing like a beach. If you're seeing the sand be moved from a different location or the soil be moved from another location, erosion is the movement of the soil and rock. It's not necessarily breaking it down, it's just moving it. So, now that you've seen these definitions, I want you to type weathering definition in your own words and erosion definition in your own words. Then watch this video and answer the questions that go along with the video. If it doesn't work, you can click here to watch it, or you can click this sign right here. Then after that, today you're going to be doing an experiment. You're going to be doing an experiment with water to find out if it causes weathering and erosion. So you're going to fill in the boxes as you go to make a prediction for what you think will happen. So here's what it looks like. Our problem is to find out if water causes weathering and erosion. And then what you know. I know weathering is what? What is weathering? You can go back to that definition to fill it in. I know erosion is blank of blank that get carried away. What are the blanks that get filled in? And if you don't know how to fill in the blanks, just go ahead and type in what do you know erosion is. And then in this next part, you're going to write your prediction. I believe that. What do you think will happen? If you have the materials, today all you need is water, a straw or a way to drop water, Skittles, and a paper plate or something to hold the Skittle on. So you can use Skittles or you can use M&Ms. It's up to you. So in the experiment, you're going to first have one Skittle and add 5 drops of water to that Skittle. And then draw a picture of what does that Skittle look like? Or you can describe it and type it into this box. The next one, you're going to get a new Skittle and you're going to put 10 drops of water on the Skittle. And then again, draw the picture. What does it look like? And then 15 drops. Draw a picture of the Skittle. Describe what it looks like. Get a new Skittle each time. And then at the end, you'll type, was your prediction correct? Why do you think the water, it was successful or was not successful? And then you're going to complete this reflection. What did you observe today? So what happened to the Skittles? Is there anything you could do to make the Skittles last longer? How might weathering and erosion be a good thing? So reflect and answer those questions. Remember, this is your thoughts, so there's no right or wrong answer here. If you do not have the materials today, though, you can click here and watch the video. I did the experiment for you. I put 5 drops of water on a Skittle and you can make your observations based on that video, then 10 drops and 15 drops. So watch those videos to help you today. If you have questions or need help, please hop on Zoom and your teacher will be happy to help you.